Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix black screen on Battlefield 2042. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. And also there's a lot of things that could cause this. We're going to go through all of them, so please comment down below which way has worked for you. So first thing you can try to do is verify repair game files. So I'm using EA, for example, for Battlefield, so that would be by clicking on these three dots and clicking repair, and it will repair any corrupted files. On Steam it would be when you go on game, you right click on it, and here it should be repair button somewhere. So that's what you can do. And if that didn't fix the problem, then you want to disable overlays on Steam or EA. So on Steam it would be if you go to the game, you want to go to properties, and then on general there will be enable Steam overlay while in game. You want to go ahead and turn this off. On EA application it would be by going to your settings of EA application itself. Now on here you want to choose application and scroll down until you will see in-game overlay, and you want to turn this on. Now if you will update Battlefield, you will need to do this every single time and turn this off. Now, if that didn't fix the problem, you want to go ahead to your settings. And here on settings, click gaming, then open up a game bar, make sure it's turned off. And then captures, on captures, you want to make sure that record what happened is also turned off. And on game mode, you want to go ahead and click this on, toggle it on. Basically, it will optimize your PC. Now, if that will not fix your problem, you want to go to your graphics settings. So you can go ahead and write it down here, graphics settings, or just on the search bar. And on graphics settings, you want to find Battlefield, open it up like so, and you want to choose high performance GPU instead of, for example, Intel, or let Windows decide. So you want to choose that and apply. Now, if that still didn't fix your problem, what you can try to do is go ahead and find your Battlefield exe file. So that would be either on Steam or EA. Open it up, local disk C. Then you want to go to program files. So for example, on Steam, it would be here, Steam, and then it would be on Steam apps, common, and here you will find your Battlefield. Now on EA, it would be program files, EA games, and Battlefield. And here you will find exe file of Battlefield. So you want to go to properties of this file, then compatibility, and you want to tick 3 things. So run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, then disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator, then click apply and OK. Now there's a few things left to do. You want to go ahead to your Windows Update on settings and check for updates. If it's all up to date, you want to go to your device manager. Open it up. And on device manager, you want to find your display adapters and find your drivers and update the drivers. Search automatically. If they are all up to date, then close it up. What you can also try to do is go ahead to your Windows Defender Firewall, open it up, then click allow an app or feature to go through Windows Defender Firewall, change settings, and you want to go ahead and add Battlefield file here. If it's already there, you just want to make sure that all of these are ticked on. If you want to add it, then click allow another app, and then browse it and find Battlefield. So for example, it's here for me, and you want to add that exe file. And that would be that on the Windows Defender Firewall. Another one, the last one, which you can try to do is go to virus and threat protection, go to manage settings, scroll down, and on exclusions, you want to add or remove exclusions. So you want to add an exclusion, and as you can see, I already added it. You want to add the Battlefield folder here, and that also may fix your problem. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.